Alright, just keep it on the boards. Keep it centered.
I'm gonna head out today, do some exploring, hop on the motorbike, and explore Luang Prabang Laos. Going to stop by a few local sites, find my way around, navigate the city traffic, and hit a few museums. I'm glad you're with me. About 8 o'clock this morning, getting ready to get a little breakfast, then head out on the scooter, go to the museum, and ride around Luang Prabang this morning. Had a great rain last night, excellent thunderstorm, just pouring down rain. It was so relaxing. All right, getting ready for a little ride here, Luang Prabang. Checking the visor. I'm gonna do like a 10-minute ride this morning. Go down by the river and kind of cruise around the town, see how that'll work. Started. There's a really cool bridge up here. Just maybe 4 or 5 minutes. I'll go to that bridge. Getting off. All right, keep it on the boards. Oh man, you should see the view to the. I might try to get out on this passage. I think I'm going to pull the motorcycle over, walk out. I think it's a pedestrian bridge. See if I can show you guys what it looks like off to the right. See if I can pull this thing over real quick. Oh man, this is cool. So yeah, just rode across the bridge, and I was looking over to my right, and the view is really spectacular. Hello. Hello. I mean, look at that view. That's incredible. Yeah, this is quite a place, guys. Back to the bike. I really love dropping into a new country, renting a motorbike, and just doing some exploring. It's always interesting to explore side streets, get to know people, stop at different shops, grab a coffee, grab some lunch, and then continue the ride. You never know what you'll come across as you ride throughout Southeast Asia. So many friendly people, and I'm always captured by their kindness. It truly is amazing. You hear people say that, but these cultures are absolutely phenomenal in terms of how they treat people and how they care for one another. Having a great ride today. I hope you're enjoying this video. Just a short 9-10 minutes today as I explore around Luang Prabang along the Mekong River. Hello. I appreciate you being here today, and thank you for watching. I have a lot of other content throughout Southeast Asia if you would like to check them out. Adjust this down. Take a left up here. I think I can find the bridge. So many stops up here. Get this one stopped. Get just one water. Can I get one water? Just one bottle?
No.
Do you sell just one? See if I can find one. I don't need in case. All right, here's one. Oh, how much for this one? 4,000. Gave her a 10. 10. Okay, so the water is 4,000 kip. And that's about 20 cents. That's great. Thank you. The Honda Click, I think it's 110 cc. It might be a 125. Yeah. Getting a little warm here. Getting a little warm in Luang Prabang. So I'm gonna head over to this little park bench and I'm gonna drink some water. Yeah, looking forward to the next few days here in Laos and then going into Thailand and into Vietnam. So this morning I was looking, the subscriber count on the channel is at 823 subscribers. So I'm pretty happy with that. I would like to get up to 1,000. So if you guys could help me out, hit the subscribe button. I'll do my best over these next few weeks and months and this next year of travel to put out some good content so you guys can follow me along in Laos, in Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, possibly going down to Bali for a visa run, but not sure about that yet. But yeah, Southeast Asia, really enjoying it, so appreciate you guys.
Thanks again for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as there's so much more to come. Let's embark on this adventure together, immersing ourselves in the beauty of the world and cherishing every moment of this precious life that awaits us.